Hi friends, this is your friend Professor Iqbal here. Once again, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Professor Iqbal Tajwali. In this episode of lecture, we will study how to use negatives or what are negatives. We might have heard negatives right from the beginning itself and we are quite familiar with those words. A negative is a word or a phrase which shows negation or disagreement with something. For example, if I say I don't like this, so this is disagreement. I am strongly showing my disagreement to this. I don't like that. I don't like this. Right from the beginning itself, we might have heard sentences like these, particularly placing the word not in front of the basic verb shows the negation. So the basic verb along with the negation not, it shows that you are rejecting something or you are disagreeing with something. Examples like I don't like this. Okay, she will never go there. We will never play. He did not write a letter. She doesn't sing a song. We were not playing there. We are not going there. They will not be there. I am not here. She is not there. Okay, so these all examples they show negation. So these examples they show that you are negating or you are disagreeing with something. Now there are different ways to negate. It is not only by using the words not here. When you want to show negation, you can show with neither nor also. But here you will not be using any negative like not here. With the help of neither and nor, you can also show negation. Nor is used to show two or more negative things at once. For example, she is neither beautiful nor rich. He is neither sad nor happy. They are neither poor nor rich. So you can create number of such examples. So you can also use neither and nor to convey negative meaning. So when you use neither and nor, it means both of them they are not. The both of these things they are not. So here they are conveying negative meaning. They are conveying negative meaning. Help of neither and nor also you can convey the negative meaning. So you can make a negative sentence. Now there are some adverbs which also make sentences negative. Their presence make the sentence negative. We can use some adverbs also to make negative sentences. For example, adverbs like hardly, never, seldom, rarely. I repeat once again, adverbs like hardly, seldom, never, rarely. So their presence itself makes the sentence negative. For example, he hardly goes to temple. She never travels by a train. He rarely reads something. He rarely goes into the kitchen. He seldom takes off duty. So like this, you can also use some negative adverbs which make the entire sentence negative. So it is not only about using negation not in the beginning, but at the same time we need to know even words like never, nobody and other expressions, they can convey the negative meaning. Now it is very important for a speaker of English to understand when to use negative sentence. When you are rejecting something, when you are disagreeing with something, at that time you will be using negative sentences, and you can either use the full form or the contracted form. Full form is without any apostrophe and the contracted form will be with some apostrophe. That means you are using the short form of the full form. For example, for should not you will say shouldn't. For could not you will say couldn't. For will not you will say won't. For did not you will say didn't. For were not you will say weren't. So these are, so here the first column talks about the full form and the second column talks about the contracted form. Generally the meaning of negative is exactly opposite of positive. When you say I like coffee, what will be the negative of this sentence? I don't like coffee. He flies tomorrow. She doesn't fly tomorrow. I will go there. I won't go there. I won't go there. They play there. They don't play there. We go there. We don't go there. We were playing. We were not playing. So like this, what you can do, you can make number of sentences by using negatives.